This program is brought to you by Emory University.
Well, the gamelan is important in many cultures of Indonesia, especially on the islands of Java and Bali. And the instruments that we play are from West Java, and they're played by an ethnic group known as the Sundanese. And Emory was lucky enough to receive a donation a few years ago of a set of instruments from Indonesia. And since then, the program has really been blossoming. So Emory is now one of the most successful programs for Sundanese music and dance in the United States. And they also own 2 sets of instruments that are played in this concert. And so it's really one of the biggest programs right now that exists in the United States.
This is a West Javanese gamelan, and what you saw earlier, there are two sets of gamelan in here. One is a gamelan de gong, which was donated to Emory and arrived in 2007, and that's the one that was the donation was coordinated by Professor Weintraub, who's our guest artist, one of our guest artists this evening. And the other set is a gamelan salendro. It's actually a part of a bigger set of a Central Javanese gamelan that the Emory College purchased in 2007. So it makes Emory one of only a handful of universities in the US that can play West Javanese gamelan music with these 2 different types of gamelan traditions from West Java.
A group of gamelan instruments are built together, and they're always, they're built together and they're meant to be together as part of one ensemble. And so even with respect to tuning and playing styles, it kind of differs from not only region to region, but also within the region and within different playing groups. I think the greatest thing about gamelan is that it's really a communal instrument playing activity, and you don't really have to be proficient in music as such. You don't have to be a music major, you don't have to be a musician, you just have to really be able to work in a group and have sort of a keen sense of awareness of what's going on around you, and just being aware of one another. And I think this past summer I was doing some field research in West Java on this classical vocal genre called Sunda, and so this really enhances that experience because I can see the tradition and the culture that sort of surrounds this music, and it's really nice to know that we're maintaining that to whatever extent that we can over here. So.
The preceding program is copyrighted by Emory University.